Hey guys, John here, and welcome back to John's RC. Today I have this really nice model to show you guys. This is the Flyzone Ultra Micro SE5a. Now this is a model that's been long discontinued. I think it began production in 2012 and has stopped in like 2015 or something. So yeah, we got this off eBay for a pretty cheap price, and it came as a ready flight package, so that means everything came in the box to get this thing flight ready. However, I did have some issues with the transmitter binding. For some reason with the stock transmitter, the rudder, as you can see this rudder here, it works perfectly now, but it had a seizure when I tried to move it to full throw. So I'm going to be using my Spektrum DX6i with the Tactic AnyLink, same transmitter that I used for the Flyzone DR1. So yeah, this is a free channel model, so that means you're going to get your elevator, rudder, and your throttle. And this model has a wingspan of 14 inches and it has a length of 11 inches. And the battery that I'm going to be using today for our flight is a single cell 150 milliamp hour battery pack. So yeah, one more thing about this plane. I have a bit of a funny story for you. My dad used to own this plane back then, and I didn't know anything about RC, and I'll actually flash a picture for you of me with this plane for a second. But I didn't think that the plane was RC, and I used it as a chuck glider, and the model got destroyed. So when I got this, or when I found it on the eBay listing, I was so happy to finally see it again. So yeah, let's go fly it. All right. Pretty balanced with CG. Nothing like the DR1. Pretty powerful, actually. Okay, you can see it's going all sorts of places. I need to do some trimming. Just doing some rudder trim, nothing special. For the elevator trim, that should be good. Okay, and it looks like we have a good flying model now. Man, this is so stable. It's flying very well right now. There's no wind right now, but she's doing pretty well. She's a beautiful model. Exactly how I remembered it years ago. Cut the throttle. Look at that. Flying really nice right now. For its size, it's actually surprisingly fast. This is half throttle, around like 65, something around there. Just pacing around. If only baby me knew how to fly an RC plane, and the old one would not have gotten destroyed. I love the color scheme. It's got this dark green. The one thing I love about these Flyzone planes is the paint that they used. It's this matte paint. It's not flashy or anything. It's just this matte minimalistic paint. The way that they make their models is so nice. Too bad that they're all discontinued now, but they were such beautiful planes. This is hands-off flying. Gonna turn it. But yeah, I'm not moving the 6 right now. It's just a plane. You can see he's flying pretty well. Almost stalled there. This thing has long flight times, but don't want to fly for too long. I don't want to wear the motor out. Gonna start to land. Successful Maiden. Don't tip over. Ooh. Gonna get it back. I'll just go get her. Alright, so that was my maiden flight on the Flyzone SE5. She flew very, very nicely once I got her all trimmed out. So yeah, I just needed to do a simple rudder and elevator trim, and she was pretty dang solid. For her size, she was actually pretty powerful, and this was on the 25C discharge rate battery. I don't normally use 25Cs, I use 45, so I can only imagine how fast this thing would go on the 45s. Now, this model kind of had a weird CG. I mean, it was pretty balanced, but the lift from these two wings here kind of like made it go up a bit. But I got that trimmed out. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for tuning in to John's RC, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.